Hi. There will be 4 pictures on the screen for each category. Choose one of the 4 and wait for the answers to come up. Okay. Who is your crush? This is a dating game, okay? Death Note dating game. Who is your crush? Since I don't know, I don't like apples so much, so I'm gonna pick 3. The number 3 on the bottom. I will pick this too. I got L. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not likely amused, but I kind of liked L before all the pandemic started when I was like 13. Who is your best friend? I like chocolate too much. And now I'm gonna pick this. Number 3. I like too much chocolate. Oh, Mitsuda, hi! Mitsuda! I'm glad it's not Misa anime though. She can just literally tell you. You can tell. Do you have a Death Note? Yes. It's behind me. I'm just kidding. Let's see. I really like the number 4. I like the purple, the blue too. I'm going with purple. The four, not the 2. Yes, I do have a Death Note. Yes, I do have a Death Note too though. It's like, I don't think I did it yet. Who has a crush on me? I just sleepy and it's like 2 in the morning. Go with let's candle number 2. What is pretty? Number 1 it is. Number 1. Oh no! No, not Shinji Origami. I don't want to be Light's mom. No. Who has rejected you? Reject me, Shinji Origami. Reject me. Don't love me. I don't want to be Light's mom. I'm going for black. Oh, that's cute. I'm going for black because I don't like much colors. Ryuk. My god, what the flip is this choice? Okay, I'm dying of choices right now. Who do you get handcuffed to? Light, L, or Light, I don't know. I just want to be with Light. I mean L. Oh, the bunny! I want to pick the bunny. It's so cute. I like more the bunnies than you guys. I want the bunny. Oh, Misa! Okay, that's okay. Misa anime is like, I can handle her, dressing parts that I can't do. Who suspects you of being Kira? Okay, let's see. Who suspects me as Kira? I don't know who he is. I like Papa. Oh no, I'm going for the number 4. The number 4 is more like another mellow. Really mellow. Really. I don't suspect you much, but you in reality, it's like I saw one real fan fiction of you where you just almost killed Shinji Origami. Are you the member of the task force? Let's see. I'll go for the that's beach. I'm going for the number 3. I like colds, but I don't like it when you get freeze. Yes! I'm 16. Okay, no, let's not do that. Who is your roommate? Oh, I'm just kidding. I actually have a cosplay of Elle. That doesn't stick in anywhere. Let's see who's my roommate. Oh, I'm going for the number 2. I like that. The number 2, I like that. I feel like I'm a pick-me right now. Oh, Elle's my partner. Oh, my roommate, not partner. Roommate. I'm glad I did not get Ryu because Shinigami's nothing. Who is your first kiss? I did not get my first kiss yet. Because I'm still young and I'm not allowed to have first kiss. I'm going for that. Oh, I'm going for the number 4. I was going for Number 4 is, come on. Nitrogami was my 4th scare. I wish could have been out. Nitrogami was my 1st scare. Do you survive at the end? Sorry for my pronouncing, I do not much know. I will go for the short hair. I kind of like short hair. I have short hair. So I'm gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick one though. Yes! I get to survive Death Note. Actually, yeah, you can survive Death Note, but just not telling like your name. Thank you for watching, and like and comment what you got. Goodbye, people.